they done?
Yeah.
Well, we are not ready, dude. I mean, where's our drummer? He's not even here. And my guitar's out of tune. And I still need to take a dump.
Relax, man.
No! Don't you get it? There's gonna be a label guy here. You know, from a record label.
A label guy? How?
Funny story, actually.
So, you must be a son of Butcher.
Is the bear shit in the hood?
I really liked your stuff.
Oh, so you've tasted our product?
Yeah, man. It sounds a little like Van Halen, but good. Here, let me buy you a drink.
No alcohol for me. Just Mama Cow's sweet booby juice for old Saul.
I insist. Let me buy you a Ripple.
Listen, buds. I'm glad you like my meat, but I don't swing that gay.
But I'm interested in your band.
Move along, Sally!
Saul! Label guy, you made it.
Listen, your buddy here blew it. I'm heading across town to see a band that drinks. Stupid, grotty git. Good Christ.
What the hell is that? Feedbag! What in the hell did you do?
Well, that guy was talking crazy. He was pushing the Ripple on me, man!
You should have taken it!
What?
He was a label guy! We could have gotten labeled! Labeled!
What do you mean?
Your soberness is ruining our lives!
No, I wasn't.
What the fuck? Guess I'm packing this up myself. Again.
Hey, give me $100 and start loading this crap into my van, okay?
Am I being mugged?
Let's go.
Feedbag?
Sure.
Right this way.
What you doing with that Ripple?
Just having a few stiff ones before I jump.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa!
We are gonna shower this crowd with golden rock.
And they're gonna piss on them.
That was fantastic.
I know.
You're going to be huge.
I know.
We're taking Feedbag to the top.
I know. Feedbag.
Come on, come on. Let me get that for you, you freaking pussy, huh? Well, see ya.
I'm a gigantified puss.
You gotta cherish life, you know? You gotta stab it to death with an opportunity knife.
I fully agree with you.
Good. Now give me the Ripple and get out.
Piss off, I needed to jump.
Soberedity is the remedy. You ain't jumping.
Hey!
Whoa! She fell. How many more people gotta die for my soberedity? Oh, God!
Ricky Butcher and Feedbag? But you never asked Feedbag. Feedbag not happy.
Boys, this is Montgomery from marketing.
Greetings, rockers. Market research indicates that bands with 4 members are the wave of the future. The future being the next 3 months.
Fine, 4 feedbags, whatever. But why this Ricky guy?
Yeah.
You guys want to hit these?
Feedbag happy.
Feedbag very happy.
I ruined Ricky's dream. I ruined the jumper's life by making her die. All for soberedity? Why?
Dude, Ripple makes everything better. Why fight it, you know? No, he's right. Come on, drink that shit.
Sip, sip, paz.
What? You drinking again? Shh. Listen. Ha! There's one for the photo album!
What has 2 balls and just got labeled?
Not Doug.
We got signed?
No, but Feedbag did, and I'm in it. I just came to get my thing. Here it is.
What? Well, I got mugged.
So what do you think? Crimped or more of a mystical unicorn horn?
Bitch, are you for real?
Yeah, unicorn horn. You're right. Thanks, buddy. Well, see ya.
Are you gonna drunk with me or what? Pussy.
Hey guys, I wanted to show you some riffs. This one I call Sword Swallower. Part of a larger piece I call Sorcerer's Tubes. It's this weird concept that I've been trying to... Dudes, are you listening?
No, they aren't, Ricky.
They're busy getting morbidly obese, like 86% of the North American population. Our market research shows that this continent of dying fatties want a band they can, call their own.
A band that shares the same fat attitude, the same deep-fried values.
The same risk of diabetes and heart disease.
And Feedbag with a little more overeating can be that band. Are you in, Ricky? Ricky?
Hey, I'm Craig.
I ain't no pussy.
No applause. Do you applaud the sun for rising, the wind for blowing? They perform the task given them by nature, as do I. You know, class, in the heart of aggression, one finds exquisite beauty.
For real! Sweet Ripple! Who needs a brother or a band or a brother when I have you?
Yes, I need 4 pounds of corn silver side and... Oh, no, I'm a recovering alcoholic.
So am I.
You need help.
What I need is a party!
Why?
You're fired! Oh! What the hell?
There's a real buzz about you guys since Ricky's display the other night.
Boys, I hope you're not lactose intolerant. Woo! Hello, BBWs.
Philly steak. Chocolate cake, I eat it all. Milkshakes, fill my heart. I got no bacon shakes. After every bite I take, silly breeze, says my soul.
Death by tea bags. Praise Jesus.
And the last sight he saw before he left this world was me, triumphant, eating his heart. For real. I need a volunteer. You! I can taste your fear.
You can?
You think that by shying from conflict you will gain strength?
No, it's just... y'all scary ass!
The morning worm emerges from the soil despite the threat of hungry robin. Be the worm! For real.
Man, I haven't seen crowd control like that since Kent State. You pussies could learn a lot from... what's your name? You're hired. Welcome to the Feedbag security team, tough guy.
Ow!
Assy, I don't know if you know this, but you and I, we're about to split the gills of stardom. Hook, line, and stinker. Whoa! Why are you dudes dressed like fat ghosts?
Market research shows that our target demographic,
Fat people.
overweight music lovers, they want morbidly obese pseudo-goth industrial rock.
They want bands that court death in their music and their lifestyle.
So keep eating, shave your head, wear a black robe, and play keyboards.
Oh, and your name is now Virgil.
It's a hungry hand that steals the hand from the man it doesn't feed. It's a hungry time to trade a hungry life for
Deal down on a Saturday night. Bucket of chicken, you. Whoa! Fun guys!
Who said that? But I mean, he was in my box. He shouldn't have been in my box. You're in my box, you're gonna get bit.
Yeah,
Party guys!
ain't no party here, wacko. We all out of Ripple.
No. We're the Ripple Crew!
Do you want me to make you eggs?
Yeah, sure. Whoa.
Party's over, man.
No, he's right. Party's over.
No.
I should be the front man.
Virgil, what the?
My ass plays better music during a fart.
Now, Virgil, you'll have more say on the next record. But for now, you've just got to play the game.
Oh, I'm supposed to whore myself out for you bitches?
Yes, you are.
All right, but that's a big load to swallow.
My prayers have been answered. Give me some Ripple money! Some priest you are! Ricky, you'll have some Ripple money. Let me in! I need Ripple money!
No way, Psycho.
Yeah, no way, Psycho. Shh. You hear something?
No.
I need Ripple money!
Get off me, you stank-ass bum!
Don't you know me, Ricky?
My name isn't even Ricky. It's Virgil. Security!
Let's do this!
Saul?
Saul!
You know me.
Yeah, dog. It's Doug. Y'all got to bounce.
All right, Dougie.
What did he just do? How did he do? Hey, man!
Where the hell are my keys? There they are. Money is through the whole Ripple. Oh yeah. Desperate times call for separate pleasures. Ripple money!
Dude, some bullshit-eating hobo just tried to... What the hell are you wearing now?
Feedbag does whatever it takes, dude.
Yeah! You're giving me a solo deal.
We signed you as part of Feedbag. You'll never have your own band, Virgil.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe Virgil won't have his own band. But Ricky already does.
You silly. Get over here, you little bitch.
I have an announcement. Virgil has quit the band. And also, tonight's show's been canceled.
Dog, what do we do? Yeah, what do we do?
Give me some Ripple money!
Get some pants.
Sweet Mary the shop! What have I been doing?
Congratulations,
You're welcome.
sucker.
Ripple Crew lives! Ripple? That's non-alcoholic Ripple. Why are you drinking that?
We're sick of Ripple. We made a change.
Yeah, you're too hardcore. We can't keep up anymore. No, he's right. We can't keep up anymore.
But we were the Ripple Crew. I'm gonna drink every bottle of Ripple in this cart. And then, whatever. Ah! It's the girl I killed's ghost! Are you out for revengeance?
I should thank you for helping me to quit drinking.
What?
When I fell without being piss drunk, it was much more exhilarating. Life is so much better alcohol-free. Thank you.
You're right. Alcohol isn't the answer. It's only a decent temporary solution. Thank you, murdered ghost lady.
Okay.
Won't be needing this no more! Ugh! I love drinking, but I love not drinking more! This crowd wants rock? I'll stick my rock in them! Let's do this. Saul!
Okay, I want to say I'm sorry. Listen, if I ever get labeled, it's gonna be as Ricky Butcher. But you guys still might not be a part of it.
And I'm sorry. You're all the crew I need.
Doug, do not run from conflict. Embrace it. Be the worm. Don't be the pussy. For real.
You know, Ram, sometimes you just got to accept your position in life. You is what you eats.
Pussy.
That's the Mugger! Yeah, it's Pat Mugger, our new drummer. Huh? Oh, and thanks for paying him at the last show and helping him load up the stuff. You're a good kid, Dougie.
Hey, you want to rock or you want to be a pussy, huh?
I got a crazy way of banging your brisket. A method someone call it loving the raw. I got a better way of basing your rump roast. Get your juices flowing. We've got it, it's so special. You won't have to wait in line. Your carcass rocks with tender affection. My love hammer is about to drop. My love, your love, my love, your love is a mystery. Taste of fantasy. You've got it, you're so special. Your ass is so mine. Because my homemade gravy's about to spread all over you. You know you love it when it goes that way. I love in the raw love.
It's been a crazy day. At least we still have the shop. Oh, yeah. I sold the shop for Ripple money.
Hey, we can buy it back. Check out this check.
How y'all gonna cash a check for Virgil?
Oh, yeah. I'm not Virgil anymore.
Screw it. Stupid sign. Actually, I sold their shop for Ripple money.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who wants hot dogs?
Don't you know me, Ricky?
Sugar the